Hi, I'm getting myself organized for tomorrow. Tonight, just doing a bit of unpacking. And I am unpacking from here. I've got a couple of these big sheets. Here's a little offcut. And this is the Warmup insulation board. I'm not advertising the product, but it seemed like a good product to buy, and that's what I bought. It's part of the Warmup heating system, so this insulation board goes down next. I need to cut it up. It's this is 50 mils of plastic. I mean, it's a polystyrene plastic with a fiberglass cement sheeting on either side. And you know, sometimes when I think about this particular material for the electric floor, you know, I use natural clay, I use the natural sheep's wool, lots of natural timber, and then I use a product like this. Well, I try to find a balance, you see. I wouldn't say this is an eco-friendly house, but I'm trying to be a little more conscious about what materials to use. But when I started looking at electric floor solutions, I decided that, well, I probably, for the energy efficiency and also the long-term use and life of the floor, it maybe makes sense to go with one particular system all the way through. So that's why I went with a warm-up system, and in particular these insulation boards. This one is the biggest or thickest that you can get, between 6mm and 50mm, and I say give me the 50mm. I want as much insulation as possible in the floor. If you've seen what I've done so far in the entrance, I put wood fiber board down, I put sheep's wool insulation down, and then now I'm going to put this down as well. And the reason is, well, the more insulation I can get in the subfloor where that heating cable is, and the heat will then push up instead of into the subfloor and heating everything up. So the next thing for me to do in the renovation tomorrow is I'm going to cut out a couple of panels of these. They'll need to be then using some adhesive stuck down to the timber plywood floor, and then I'll screw them in place. I'll do some cutting tomorrow. Then maybe on the weekend I can show you the finished screwed down thing. And then next week I start to put down this DCM Pro mat, and this is the mat that has a little bit of flexibility and these little, well, you can see the grid pattern there, so you can lay out, or I will lay out, the electric cable in that. So it's all part of the same warm-up system, and just sort of share with you what I'm doing tonight, just unpacking some materials here so I can continue on tomorrow with cutting and continuing to do more of that entrance floor. So it does continue. I'll have more on the way tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.